Okay, now it's 5.1, properties of circles. Today we go to the first part of the chapter 5, circles, properties of circle. So this is our learning standard today. Okay, just a simple one. You have to recognize parts of a circle and explain, explain the properties of a circle. Okay, so can anyone please tell me, okay, what can you see surrounding at your home? What is formed by circles? Anything formed by circles? Anyone? You can type at the chat also. You can respond at the chat.
Clock.
Sorry?
Clock.
Clock. Okay, good. Okay. Any beside clocks? Plate. Okay, good. Bottle. Bottle is this circle? Bottle. What bottle? Tanya? Fan. Fan. Okay, fan circle. Okay, but fan and turn rubbish bin circles. Okay. What else? Glass. What glass, Alia? What type of glass? Which is circle? Round table. Okay, yes, Rahana. Circles is a round shape, right? Water bottle. Okay, mark, bowl. Okay, or painting when you draw circles. Okay, good. Taya. Yes, circles also. Okay. Deodorant. Okay, yes. Okay. Circle mirror. Okay, good. So you can see those circles, okay, surrounded at your house, or you can apply in your daily life, right? Okay, so you know what is circles is. Then can you recognize the part of circles? Okay, let's see the first part of circle. Okay, so this is our learning standard. Okay, from here, this is circle. The black dot. Anybody know what is the black dot represent? Anybody know what's the black dot?
The center of the circle.
Yeah, center of the circle. Good. Okay, can see the response also. Okay, so this is a part of the circle, center. So center will be a fixed point. Why we say fixed point? Because when all the points from here to the circumference, from here to here, it's a fixed point. Okay, where all points on the circumference are equal distance. Okay, from it. So from here to here, all same. Okay, same. Can see. Okay, wait. Let me see with the pointer. So from here to here, all same. So call it equidistance. Okay, so this is the first part of circles. Next, okay, so what is this? Round the circle. What is the name of this? What part is it?
Circumference.
Okay, circumference. Okay, circumference. Good. Okay, so easy, right? This one part of circle. So circumference is a perimeter of a circle. Perimeter is the overall measure from first point until the end, joining up. So we call it circumference. Okay, so it's just introductions. Later on, you have to learn what's the formula to count. Okay, to find the circumference of a perimeter. Find the circumference of a circle. Okay, it's the second part. Okay, next. Okay, what is this? What does the line represent? Okay, Ifra give the answer already. Okay, the rest agree with Ifra. Answers from Ifra. Radius. Is this radius? Yes,
Yes,
okay, good. Radius. Okay, so anybody know what is the definitions of radius? What is definition of radius? You can refer to your textbook. What radius is? Okay, radius is a straight line. Okay, this must be straight line. Straight line from the center, must be from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference. Means from here to here, this straight line, let's say it's 5 centimeter. So from here to here also 5 centimeter. When you like, but this is a cake. I just now nobody give me an example for a circle is a cake, right? Okay, well, let's say this is a cake. So when you cut into few pieces, right? So actually all the length is the same because this is the radius. Okay, length all same, from the center to the circumference. Okay, so next. Okay, how about this? It's now only half of it. Now from here to here. Okay, So what is this called? Okay, diameter. Okay, diameter. Agree? The rest? Yes or no, Janani? Okay, Janani is in. Okay, just now when I take attendance, you are not in yet. Morning, Janani.
Good morning, teacher.
Why couldn't wake up? Okay, so what is this, Janani?
Diameter, teacher.
Yes, diameter. Okay, so diameter, straight line also, but it touches the circumference through the center of the circle. Means that from the circumference until the another end and another end of the circumference, but must be through the center. If the line from here to here, is it called diameter or not? It's not passing through the center. Yes, Janani, why you raise your hand?
No, teacher, suddenly.
Okay, Miss Press. Okay, so if let's say this is the line, is it diameter? Yes or no?
I think yes.
You think yes? Yeah. Okay. Because I want to call this one. Okay, let's say I draw cannot use this color. Okay, use pink color. I draw from here to here. Is it considered diameter also? Yes or no? Look at the definitions. Straight line that touches the circumference through the center of the circle. Yes, this is touches the circumference. Is it through the center? Yes or no? Class? This pink line, pink straight line, is that diameter? Is it considered diameter or not? Yes, with the question marks means that you are not confirmed, right? Look at the definitions. Through the center. Okay, this one got through center or not? This pink line got center here or not? Center is here. For a circle, only got one center. So through the center or not? This line. Yes or no? Ada? What do you think?
Yes.
Through the center.
Yeah, it's to the center.
Center is here. Got center ah?
Teacher, I think you're showing the wrong slide, because on my slide it shows that there's a line that's going through this, that's like going through the center.
You all cannot see I draw another pink color line, is it? Can see or not?
I can't see.
You can see a pink line or not? Pink line that I draw?
I can't see. I can only see the black line.
Black line, cannot see. Okay, no, okay, all of you cannot see, wait. Okay, now you all can see or not? And if I drawing on the slide, can you see or not?
Still can't see.
Still cannot see.
Cannot see.
Cannot. Why this one cannot work here? Okay, wait. I have to change like that. Now can see my screen or not?
Yes, can see, teacher.
Okay.
The screen.
You can see my screen. Oh.
Yep.
Okay, so just now about the diameter. Just now actually I draw another straight line. Okay, this is the straight line. Okay, I'm asking about this. Okay, the pink straight line that I draw. Okay, is it called diameter? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why no?
It's a chord.
The chord. Okay, because this is the according to the definitions, diameter must be passing through the center. The center is here. So when we draw the line here, it's not passing through the center. So this pink line is not considered the diameter. Okay, this is what my question is now. Okay. Okay, so remember, must be through the center. See the center here? Okay, so next. Okay, this one, just now your friend already give the answer. So what is this? Just now, this line is not passing through the center. Just now is Google answer. Steffi, is it just now? This is called what?
Jingwen.
Jingwen, just now Jingwen. Okay, sorry. Okay, Jingwen. Okay, this is called what? Can respond at the chat. Okay, chord, right now. Okay. So this is not a diameter. Okay, so chord is a straight line that joins any. Okay, morning Shadia. Baru bangun ke? Okay, a straight line that joins any 2 points on the circumference. Okay, so join 2 points at the circumference, but it's not passing through the center. Okay, so we call it chord. Okay, so next part. Okay, So what is the one in blue color? This blue color called what? In blue. Arc.
Minor segment.
Minor segment.
But the outer one is arc.
Okay, outer one, this line is arc. Okay. So in the whole thing, this one I say is like I cut a piece of cake out. What is this called? I cut minor arc. Okay, arc. Okay, if outside one is minor arc lah. Okay. Outside one is minor arc. Okay. So how about another one? This is minor. Another way around is major. Yes. Okay. So major arc. Okay. So later only we see the blue part. Okay. Arc is a part of the circumference lah. This is one part. Okay. The minor one, small one, the short one is a minor part lah. Okay. Okay. It's a minor arc. Okay. This one is a major arc. So next. Okay. Now this one I want to show the blue one. Okay, the blue color one. Don't look at the arc. So now it's inside this one, the small part of this. Like I cut a small piece of cake out. So this one we call it. What's the name of this? When you cut a piece cake, come out from the circle. What is this called? Anyone? You know answer from the chat. What? This is sector. We call it minor sector. When you cut a piece cake out, okay, that is called minor sector. So same thing. So another way around, the bigger size, okay, the bigger part is a major, but it's called major sector. Just now only the line outside of the line we call it arc, okay. So but the whole thing, okay, one piece, the small piece we call minor sector. So the bigger piece or the remaining cake here, we call it major sector. Okay. So sector is the region. Okay. So we call it region enclosed by the two radii and an arc. So this is radii. Okay. The radius lah. Okay. Enclosed by the radii and the arc. So we call it sector. So I have to be clear on the definitions of part of circle. So the next one, I think the last one. So this one we know that this is the chord. Okay, so if enclosed with the part of the circumference and the chord, what is this called?
Segment.
Yes, segment. Okay, we call it segment. So same thing, we have the major segment and the minor segment have both. Okay, so segment is the region enclosed by the chord and the arc. Okay, just now for the sector is the enclosed by the two radii and a arc. Okay, but this one is a chord and an arc. Okay, this is simple. Okay, so only part of circle. Okay, AFL. How do you all feel? Can remember all the parts of the circles after I give all the slide to all of you? So your thumbs, Farah still sideways, still cannot remember. Okay, all thumbs up horizontal. Okay, so I would like to know the horizontal, the Nazreen, those are horizontal. Okay, Trisan, what that you all cannot understand? Can you remember the part of circle or not? Okay, just go one more round. Okay, segment. Segment is this one, the big one. Okay, the chord is the line. This line. Okay, we call chord. And this one we call arc. Okay, our outside one, this one we call arc. Okay, so when we enclose this shape here, the small part of here, we call it minor segment. The bigger part, we call it major segment. This one clear or not? Those are sideways. You just remember the parts of circle only. You have to know. Because after this, I want to give you all a quiz. Adam? This one can understand not? Segment. Nama tu kena ingat. Okay, ini panggil segment. Major segment. Ini panggil minor segment. Okay? Ini boleh? Yes, okay. So, the rest? What else, just now? Okay, okay. Beatrice, okay, Okay, Rahana, okay. Dania. Okay, Nasri, now okay, like this part. Can remember or not? Part of the circles. You have to remember all the part of circles in order for you to answer the quiz later. Okay, so back to this one. Okay, this one sector. Sector, ini panggil radius, right? Radius. In BM, we call jejari, jejari. You all learn in primary school already. Jejari. Okay, in BM, this one called what? Arc called what? in the end? Everybody know. Kalau ini jejari, kalau up tu panggil apa? Lengkuk lah, panjang lengkuk. Lengkuk, this is a, so the region, kawasan yang ditutupi oleh dua jejari dengan satu lengkuk. Okay, enclosed with two radia and one arc. We call it sector. So the small piece, we call it minor sector, and the bigger piece, we call it major. Untuk hafal ini, to memorize this one, you just remember or just memorize when you cut a cake. Okay, when during your birthday, masa hari jadi, when you cut a piece of cake out from the circles, that is called sector. The small piece, when you eat the small piece, is called minor. The remaining one, the bigger piece, that is major sector. So hafal dengan macam tu okay. So one more, okay, lengkuk lah. Okay, the minor, the outside one. Okay, because maybe some enter class late, I just repeat one more time because after this I want to give you all quizzy. Okay, so make sure everybody recognize all the parts of the circles. I don't want to see sideways anymore after this. Okay, so chord, this is the chord. Okay, they only touches the circumference but didn't or doesn't through the center. Tidak merentasi pusat. Okay, a straight line that join any 2 points on the circumference. Any two points. Okay, beside this can be this one also. Sini boleh, sini boleh. Okay, all the pink color, this one actually is a chord. Ni pun boleh. But tidak merentasi pusat. Okay, so any one of that, but not passing through the center. Clear or not? Okay. Boleh ke tak boleh? Okay especially for those that still sideways So hopefully after this cikgu ulang semula, kamu boleh faham. Okay. Adam okay ke? Adam? Diameter mesti melalui pusat, must be passing through the center. We call it diameter. Okay. Just now the one not passing through the center, we call chord. Okay. So jari separuh lah. Sudah. Center, this is no problem, right? Semua tahu pusat kan? Pusat bagi perbulatan. IBM lah. Okay, bilingual. Okay. This one is what? Outside. Circumference IBM call what? Everybody remember? Tested your. Ingat tak? Yang kat luar ni panggil apa? Yang circumference IBM call what? Ada lagi tak battery? Sudah pergi mana? Please respond. What is the name of the circumference in IBM? No, no.
Tak tahu.
Tak tahu. Okay. Siapa yang tahu? Bantu Patrice. Alia tahu tak Alia? You all learn in primary school, right? Ada tak? Skor rendah. Pernah belajar tak? Alia? Ada lagi tak Alia? Where are you Alia? Let me sing. From time to time I call your name. I know that you all not paying attention. Alia, where are you Alia? You can respond to the chat also. If you don't know, say don't know. Andika, do you know that? What is the name, circumference in BM?
Sorry, but I don't know.
You don't know also. Daing? Daing tahu tak Daing?
Is it lilitan?
Yes, lilitan. Good. Okay. So circumference in BM we call lilitan lah. Okay. Okay. So adalah perimeter. Perimeter in BM perimeter lah. Okay. So luang yang kawasan ni panjang di kawasan di sini. Keliling bulatan tu. Okay, we call it perimeter. So perimeter of a circle. Okay, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's 8 parts of circle. You can refer your textbook on page 77. Okay, after go through again all the slide. Okay. Okay or not? Those that sideways. I want to see everybody thumbs up because this is only introductions for the chapter 5. Is it? Adam sudah okay ke? Aku dah ulang semula sebab after this you have to do the quiz ya. Farah? Dah boleh ke Farah? Boleh respon sekejap? Aku dah go through semula. Dah tengok semula. Dah boleh ke? Alia, you don't know. Okay, just now you say you don't know about the one. Okay, Lily, tak boleh. Okay, so everybody now thumbs up or still sideways? Anybody still got sideways? Please be tell the truth. Masih lagi sideways ke? Andika dah okay. Oh, why so angry, Andika? Show your emoji angry. Okay, it's wrong emoji, is it? Okay, so, okay, all thumbs up already, yeah? Okay, good. For this one, before we go to quizzy, just take down the exercise for today, yeah? I want you to do the self-practice 5.1, only question 1 first, okay? Question 1, soalan 1. Okay, they also need to determine the name of the parts of the circles on your textbook, and draw the map, okay, I think map, okay, on your textbook page 77, the circle map, okay, in your exercise book. Still that, so that you copy one time, you can remember all the parts of circle. I want you to draw, okay, and label the part of circle. Okay, you don't just photostat. When photostat, then you cannot remember one normally. Okay, I stop sharing. Now I want to share the link, like you all to play the quizzy. If you're using handphone, you have to leave the meet first, only enter also can. Okay, no problem. But make sure everybody join the live quizzy. Okay, good. Aki is in. Okay, faster, faster.
Teacher, it's taking a while to load.
Okay. Because depends on line, so that some of the lines are a bit slow, then you have to wait. Okay, if you cannot, you keep reload lah. Okay, using handphone, reload. Okay, now you're already 14. I have 28 here, 28, supposed to be 28. Okay, another 11. Okay, make sure everybody in. Don't some. I mean, I already there's some of you already away from your laptop, away from your handphone. Don't know go where or fall asleep. So you couldn't join in. Okay, Ada is in already. Ada, Shadia sudah masuk. Who else? Belum lagi. Okay, I start first. Okay, you can answer 15 questions only. Just a simple questions. Okay, at the same time, I show the questions. Okay, yang tak dapat masuk tu, you can write down your answer at a chat or a piece of paper. Okay, later you double check with the answer. Nasrin, dah? Siap salah satu? You let me know, if done already question 1, I can scroll to question number 2.
Yes.
Okay, yes, Patricia juga tak boleh kan? Soalan 1 dah jawab? Okay, soalan 2 pula. The one question, I give 60 seconds only. Okay, sudah? Soalan 2? Number 5, boleh cikgu pergi number 5?
Yes.
Okay, move to number 6. Okay, number 7. Tuhan, Patricia, okay dah? Okay, Okay, number 8. Okay, number 9. Which picture show a segment? Boleh teruskan ke 10? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, okay, 10. Okay, 11. Patricia, okay Patricia? Siapa baru masuk 31. No, suddenly 31. Okay, so number 12. 3 more questions 3 lagi saja. Okay, 13. Still got so many wrong 7 incorrect. The next questions. Read the questions carefully and look at the questions carefully. The answer, the selected answer, the choices okay, number 14. Second last questions. Parts of the circumference. There's 7 students choose the wrong answer. Last questions. This one got 8 incorrect. The region enclosed by the coordinate arc. Okay, coordinate arc sahaja. Panggil apa? Okay, dah 15 soalan. Those that cannot enter the live, okay, nanti masa cikgu bincang jawapan tu, you all share, check boleh? Okay, I'll go back to the main page and see siapa belum siap lagi. 22 or 24 done. Okay, dua lagi belum siap. Okay, now on top, all correct. Jingwen, Iza, and Steffi. Okay, congratulations. Good. Actually, from 1 to 9, all correct lah. Okay, on some of them reattempt because the different color, you can see a different color. Yang salah dia ambil tu untuk reattempt. Ini yang merah-merah tu maknanya yang salah lah, ada yang salah. Siapa lagi belum siap? Okay, all done already. Okay, number one is Wong, second Iza, and third is Inshira. Okay, so you can see good accuracy 84%. Okay, means still okay lah. So you can see all the green one is all correct lah. So no problem for a few of the students. Aisyah Ayumi masih lagi salah satu soalan. Okay, which picture shows a sector? So some you answer wrong. Okay, because I want to go through very fast because your friends that cannot answer online. So let them check. So name the circle part that show. This one, the red color one. What's the answer?
Arc.
Arc, okay. Arc. So yang Nuha, Nasrin, Patricia, and one more who? Please check your answer. Okay, arc. Okay, number 2, this one. The red color. Part of the straight line. Pass it to the center. Radius, yes. Okay. Number 3, the whole thing, the whole straight line.
Diameter.
Diameter, okay. Number 4, the red color one, outside.
Circumference.
Circumference, okay, good. Okay, now should tell me your answer lah. Okay. So number 5, show in green.
Sector.
Sector, yes. Sector, minus, I didn't give minus sector, so it's a sector. So this one,
Chord.
yes, chord. Okay. 7. This one?
Segment.
Segment. Okay, just now without color, that's chord. Okay, with the color inside the one, the whole thing, the enclosed, the whole thing is the segment. Okay, number 8. Okay, which part shows a chord? Okay, A, B, C, D.
Second picture.
The second picture, yes. Okay, number 9. Segment. Which one?
First picture.
First picture. Patricia, can you follow or not? Nuha? Okay, not? Two of you? Siapa lagi seorang tu? Yes, okay. Susan also okay, Okay, 10. Which one show a sector?
Third picture.
Third picture. Okay, 11. Which one show arc?
First picture.
First one, okay, very easy. Diameter? Diameter?
Third picture.
Okay, third picture. 13. So radius.
Third picture.
Third picture, okay. Part of circumference. This one I give no more picture, but this is in the definitions.
Arc.
Okay, yes, arc. Part of the circumference arc. Good. Okay, 15. Region enclosed by a chord and an arc. Chord is this one. Okay, arc is this one. So it's called what? What's the answer? It's a sector or it's a segment or it's a chord?
Okay.
Which one? Patricia, apa jawapan? Segment, okay, betul. Okay, segment, chord and the arc. If say arc with 2 radius, that one is a sector. Okay, 2 radius dengan 1 arc itu adalah sector. Kalau segment, chord dengan arc saja. Okay, so 15 questions. Okay, good. Bagi yang betul tu baguslah, maknanya dah mencapai lah. Means that is a 55 dah 5. Okay, so for today only I give this part of circle only. So it's a warm up for the class, first class. Okay, so for the next lesson, I want you all to prepare compass, jangka lukis, and your protractor, okay, and your ruler next to you during the class. Okay, when I show you how to draw, then you just follow lah. Okay, because the next part is to constructing a circle. Okay, constructing a circle for the 5.1.2. Okay, initially I want to show today also, but I think couldn't make it because now showing 9:53. After this, you have another class, right? Right or not? Yes or no, class? Okay, so now from fees to 5, please rate yourself 0 to 5. So where are you now? After you complete the quiz. Okay. Still got 3, Farah. Okay, got 4, got 3 some more. So those are 3, you have to go through, make sure you copy the notes and do the exercise. Okay, you must make sure to identify, to recognize the part of circle before we proceed for the rest of the parts of the chapter 5. Okay, Aliyah, why you not sure? Why you still not sure? Aliyah, why not sure? If I show you a picture of this one is the picture. You know what is the answer or not, Aliyah? What's this called? Not confidence. Aliyah, answer me. For this picture, the red line called what? What is this called? Radius. Yes, you can give the name radius. Good. Not confident with your what you have learned just now. Okay, all the boys okay not? Satvin, I can't see your thumbs. You there or not, Satvin? Oh, Satvin, ada tak? Okay, yes. Okay. Dying. Okay, so fast, you already respond, good. Okay, Andika, good. I call the boys, these are the few boys. Okay, now else, always know when missing. Okay, I'll double check again, just now because some of your friends entered it, Janani is in, right? Janani, ada kan? Zafril and Nandini tak ada saja kan?
I'm here, teacher.
Hana ada tak Hana? Nurul Hana, are you in or not? Hana tak ada kan? Double check again. Nanti cikgu tak bagi kehadiran. Okay lah,
Teacher Nurul Hana ada.
Hana ada? Mana ada?
Yes.
Nurul Hana. Ada lah, Hana ada. Nanti kita dapat tahu. Just I check tak ada. Nurul Hana ada. So hanya tak ada nanti ni dengan Zafir sahaja 2 orang saja. Yang semua lain tu semua ada. Betul tak? Because 31 minus 2 of my, this 29. Okay, betul lah. Okay, good. So that's all for the class today. I see you all on when? Tomorrow, right? It's all right. Right not? We have class tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will share the link as usual lah. Nanti juga akan bagi link kemudian lah. Okay, see you all tomorrow. Thank you, class.
Thank
Remember
you, teacher.
what is the exercise, right? Just now I mentioned only question 1, and draw
Yes.
the mind map. Okay. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
teacher.
Bye,
thank you.
teacher.
Bye, bye.